my channel. I'm JoDee, and I received some packages, actually one package in particular, that I have no clue what's inside it. And yes, your girl thrifted it. So today we're gonna go through a haul, a mystery haul, because I have absolutely no clue what I purchased in this bag. And then I also got some yarn I'm gonna show you that I got online. And I have just the craziness going on in my life right now, and I'm sure you do too because of the holidays. So today is just going to be just a casual mystery thrift bag, kind of, because I did pick these items out. I just don't remember doing it. So if you like crazy videos about thrifting, crafting, anything fun, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now because this is your channel and I'm your girl. I love finding beauty on a budget. So this is what we do here on this channel. So let me just get into the discussion about why. Excuse the hair, okay? I wasn't planning on doing a video on this, but I just decided to go ahead and tell you anyways. Hair and no makeup, holy cow. Woo, go girl. So this right here is some yarn. And I was looking on Facebook Marketplace, and I really like the Hobby Lobby hanks. They're merino wool. And but they go for like $15. They're really expensive. I saw them on sale for $8 or $7 a piece online on Facebook Marketplace, with plus like a couple dollars shipping. So I figured I'd pick them up. And the lady, like, I got to pick a whole bunch out at the same time, and the lady put them all in the bag at the same time. So I'm gonna share them with you right now. So I got them at a really good price, $7, but I understand that they go on clearance once a year. I'm thinking in June, early June, where they get marked down to like $3 or $4. So this person clearly made a profit on me anyways, but that's okay. I don't mind doing that because I did not know that Hobby Lobby has such great deals. So I'll hit them up next year. As you know, I've been doing a lot of crocheting and I'm learning how to knit now. So if you'd like to learn or see me learning or doing that, please do me a favor, leave me a comment below, because I'm looking for other ways to share what's going on in my life with you without necessarily having to go to the thrift store all the time, because frankly, beauty on a budget is going to be the theme for 2023 for me. I'm really going to try not to spend so much money. I've been spending a lot of money. So I'd like to find ways to still share my life with you. And, you know, I am into other things. I love crafting. I love crocheting. And like I said, I'm learning how to knit. I actually took my very first knitting lesson today, and it is a challenge. It's much more challenging. You know, you have to worry about 2 needles and, you know, which way to go. And I'm sure I'm going to be doing a lot of practicing this week. And actually, I'm going to do that right as soon as I'm done talking with you today. So if you're interested in learning more about that, please do me a favor, leave me a comment below. Tell me other things that you'd like to see on this channel, because really in 2023 moving forward, I need to be even more mindful of my spending. You know, I've got 2 kids in college, and boy, that's a shocker for you. If you have kids in college, tell me, let me know, because how are you doing it? So here are the hanks. This is Yarn Beat Authentic Hand Dyed. It's called Peaceful Paradise. And it is 400 yards of merino wool. Let's see, 400 yards, hand dyed. Yeah, it's so pretty. I want to show it to you. Look how pretty those colors are. So I only got one of that, but it's really, you know, 400 yards. That's actually a lot when you're crocheting, but even more so when you're knitting. I understand knitting goes really far. So I have that. And then I got 2 of these. They are called Elasian Dusk. I've never heard of this color before, but look at that. Look how pretty that is. All the different pinks and the speckled colors in it. And each of them is 400 yards. Has a lot of different colors in it, which I really kind of like. You could put this with the cream color, and then those little speckles will pop out. So I got those 2. So this is 800 yards. And then I got another 400 yards. This is called Tiger's Eye. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. I love the beige and the cream colors. And then this blue just kind of pops out of nowhere. Oh, look at the little sparkles there too. Very cute. I like this. I don't know what color I put it with. I probably would have, maybe a beige. I don't know. What do you think? What should I make with this stuff? It's really thin, like very thin. Look how thin that is. So with that being so thin, I usually double it up with some acrylic or something else that's in a bigger weight, because your girl does not know how to crochet that thin just yet, or knit for sure. And then the last two that I got are named Flamencio. And once again, woof, I love them. They're so cute. I actually picked out some other colors and they had sold. She hadn't taken down the pictures. So I wanted a purple. They didn't have purple, but I like this one a lot. I would definitely put this with a cream color, don't you think? That is really pretty. That could be a pretty sweater. Tell me what you would make. Are you a knitter or a crocheter? And either way, what would you use to make? Or what would you make with this? I'd love to hear that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 different hanks. Each of them are like, I think $7 a piece. Look at that, they're so pretty. I'm really getting into yarn and the more expensive yarn, which I'm trying not to be. So this is why I was so excited to find this, because this is, you know, $15, it's kind of expensive and it's really, really soft and squishy. So I really love it. On to the mystery. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about this. What happened was, I got into shopping on Instagram. And if you know, I actually was selling on Instagram for a while. I still have my JoDee's closet up, but I'm mostly just putting stuff on Poshmark and Mercari and Depop now, because I really didn't enjoy sitting on Instagram Live and trying to sell items for hours on end after also working full time. So yeah, that kind of came to a screeching halt rather quickly for me. But I did enjoy watching people sell items, and you could get some amazing deals on Instagram Lives because they're selling them at, like, you know, cheap. So I know that I tuned into this one seller. Her name is Sunny Days, and I tuned in and she was having a $2 sale. But I also know I followed her and watched her on some other lives where I paid a little bit more. So like I said, I know I bought stuff from her, can't remember a darn thing. So let's go. Mystery. Mystery. So let's open this bad baby. Gotta be careful because it's clothing. I know that at least. And she ships through Pirate Ship, which that's what I do too when I'm not selling on one of the bigger sites like Mercari or Depop. You know, when you're selling it by yourself, you can get a really good deal through Pirate Ship. So let's see what we got. What did we buy, JoDee? What did we buy? I don't know. Okay. So the first thing I bought was this, oh, it's $20. Did I spend $20 on this? I can't imagine I spent $20 on this. I know I didn't spend $20 on this. Look how tiny this is. But this is cute. It's a long gown. I could not have spent $20 on this. This probably won't even fit half me. Or did I get this from one of my girls and maybe think, no. Well, I don't know. It's got a tag on it, red recycled. I don't know who that is because I did not buy it from that person. And it's actually a recycled tag on the back. I mean, it's a cute little dress. Let's see, is it vintage? It's bride, I don't know, you tell me what that says. Ugh. Okay, so this is a cute dress. It's probably a size 4 or 5. God, I hope I didn't pay $20 for that. It's really cute though. It's probably gonna have to go straight to my Poshmark. Okay, what is this? This is kind of cute. It's by A New Day, which is Target. It's rather see-through though. I'd have to wear a slip with this, but you know, I might be able to make this work. This is actually kind of cute. It's a dress. I would probably put a belt with it. Although I think it has maybe an empire waist. No? Yeah. You know, whenever I wear a dress, the waist is like an inch higher than it needs to be. I have a long waist. But this is actually kind of cute. It's a maxi dress. I don't know if I'm going to fit it, but pretty colors, right? Okay, so that one's a maybe. What is up with me? It's a fanny pack. What is up with me? I must have been, I don't know. It's a fanny pack. I mean, it's cute and all, but all right, this is a blouse. So this is a nice little blouse. It's got a little keyhole. It's by Mavor. It's new with tags. And it says it's an extra large. I don't know if it looks like an extra large though. I don't know, you tell me. It's cute. This is actually a really cute shirt. The only thing I don't like is that it bunches up on the bottom, which, you know, brings attention to the belly area. But I think, okay, this was a good choice. Look at that. That's cute in the back. It's got a little keyhole in the front and the back. So I will probably, actually definitely wear that as long as it fits me. What else? I have so much stuff here. I really don't know what I was doing. This is by Authentic Rag. It's a size extra large. This does not look like a size extra large. Oh my gosh. It's so cute, but it definitely does not look like an extra large. I mean, it might look like it on camera, but it's like an extra large junior, and it's really short. It's got pretty, that's really pretty design, but I don't think I'll end up wearing that one. What was I doing? Oh my God, what the heck? You guys, I don't know what I was, that's what I was doing. What? This is Forever 21, size small. I mean, maybe one of my daughters can fit this. This is actually kind of cute for one of my daughters. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. That's a maybe. Oh, this is like a size 02. This is a size small by Always the Best Outfitters. That's kind of cute. It's really tiny though. Look at that. It goes across one shoulder. The quilting's cute though, but it's faux leather up here. It's really not made very good quality, but I'm sure I didn't pay a lot of money for that. Here goes another cute little dress that's never gonna fit me in my life. This is by Lush. It is a size extra small. Yeah. This will look cute for my daughters though. They like little black dresses, and it's got, you know, the mesh on the front and in the back. I'll save that for the girls. They'll probably like that a lot. See what else? Okay. This is another dress that I'm confident I'm not gonna fit. Forever 21, size small. Okay, it's just like a t-shirt dress. Okay. I felt like I remember seeing this and thinking, oh, it's gorgeous. What is this? Okay, it's just a sweater. It's a duster. It's a size 1XL. This is actually kind of cute. Look at the print. That's a cute print. That would look good for the fall, which we just came out of. I bought this that long ago, by the way. Okay, well, that one's a keeper. I kind of like that one. What is this? This is a size 2 loft. I honestly have no clue what I was thinking. That is so cute, but it's a size 2. I really have no clue. Look at the ribbing. That's actually really cute. It's new with tags. Somebody will want that. That's really cute. And then, what is this? Oh, it's a little purse. That's kind of cute, actually. That's actually really cute. One thing out of all the bags that I really, really loved. I can't even get it open though. There we go. All right, it's just got a black in the inside. It's new with tags. This is really soft too. Okay. That's actually really cute. I could use this as a project bag for crocheting. Oh, or a pillow. Gosh, it's so soft. Okay, well, JoDee. Okay, that's it. Let me be the cautionary tale. Don't shop the Instagram live Instagrams unless they give you measurements. I'm sure she gave measurements. I'm sure she talked about size. I probably was thinking, oh, I'll get it for resale. But now that I have it here, I'm like, oh my gosh, what was I thinking? Hopefully my daughters will like some of this stuff. Tell me what you liked below. Did you like anything? Did you think I'm crazy? I pretty much think I'm crazy for doing what I did. Yeah, so that's me. That's me just going crazy today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was crazy. It was all over the place, but I do really appreciate you. I love you so much. I'll talk to you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more crazy, because let me tell you, we're going there. Crazy town. That's me. I love you so much. I'll talk to you next week. Bye.